Welcome to a world filled with invisible forces and magical pulling powers. Have you ever played with magnets? They can stick to your refrigerator and attract paper clips as if by magic. But what's really happening? Magnets have an invisible force called magnetism. Think of it like a superhero power that can pull certain metal objects closer without ever touching them. Have you ever noticed how magnets have two ends or poles, often labeled north and south? They work like a team, opposites attract and similar poles repel. Imagine the poles as two friends who either want to be together or prefer to keep their distance. The north pole of one magnet will always want to meet the south pole of another magnet. It's a bit like a dance where partners perfectly complement each other. So, where does this pull come from? Deep inside everything, there are tiny particles called atoms. Inside atoms, there are even tinier particles with charges, like electrons, that move around. In a non-magnetic object, these movements are all mixed up, pointing in different directions. In magnets, however, these electrons move in the same direction, making them form powerful teams. This alignment creates the magnetic fields. Picture the field as invisible lines swooping from pole to pole, always looping back, directing their invisible forces into action. Scientists have wondered about magnets for centuries. Ancient Greeks and Chinese discovered that certain iron-rich stones, called lodestones, had a natural magnetic pull without any help. These curious discoveries led to today's developed magnets, which help in countless ways, from holding your art on the fridge to navigating the seas using a compass. Many electronic devices use magnets too. Some speakers use them to create sound waves you hear as music. And did you know your television and computer would be lost without them creating images on the screen? So, next time you play with a magnet, remember all the little teams of electrons hard at work, creating their magical push and pull. It's a world full of mystery and science, proving how fascinating nature's invisible powers really are. Unleash your scientific curiosity and see how many magnetic marvels you can uncover in your own home.